Hello there. So let's talk about how to get more FPS out of Dead by Daylight, which is this game right there. Now this is gonna be from Steam. Now to make sure you have a lot of FPS coming up from this one, or you can increase the FPS in the game itself, you have to open up your software, which is gonna be your GPU. On my end, that would be this one, the AMD GPU. I open it via going to the desktop, like so, right-clicking and clicking on the Adrenaline Edition. Same drill if you're using your NVIDIA, just right-click anywhere in your desktop and go to the software. Now once you have it, click on the game. Now for this one, let's just say NBA 2K25 would be the Dead by Daylight. Go to the gaming option, choose the game itself, like so. Now to increase the FPS, you just have to adjust some of the metrics here, which is some of the things that as you see here will be disabled. For example, the anti-lag is enabled, but the chill is disabled. The sharpen effect would be around 75 to 70, and the super resolution should be around disabled. Because if you have high quality for your game, the FPS will be lower. In here, as you can see, most of them are disabled, because I want high FPS under NBA 2K25. Do this one the same drill for Dead by Daylight. Prioritize FPS or performance rather than your quality. To make sure this works, go to Home section, click on the Use a Global Experience as I showed you earlier, click on Performance-Based Options. They're going to be prioritizing performance based on this game. And that should fix your problem.